To use Sound Equalizer for AirPods 4, first of all, you will have to open Settings on your iPhone and go to the AirPods 4. Right now, you will have to keep scrolling and go until you find Accessibility. Then, you will have to go for iPhone audio and the visual settings. And now go into the headphone accommodations. You will have to turn it on and you get like 3 default options, but also you can set it up with a custom one. So once you actually input right now both earbuds inside your ears, you can click OK. Do this one more time. Now as you can see, it will apply for phone calls, movies and music and audiogram. So click continue. You can skip and don't use audiogram right now. Click to continue. And now you have to answer if you hear that someone is speaking, yes or no. In my case, yes. Click continue and then click continue to set up the equalizer. So now we can pick one of the following option. Click continue. Do the same for another one. And right here, you will have to basically pick which sounds better for you. And here you can check how the standard sound and the custom one. So you can click to continue. And now we've got this custom preset. Here you can also tune audio for a balance tone, vocal range, and brightness. And if you want to do this, you will have to update over this custom preset. And here you can find the slider with slide, moderate, and strong. It's actually changing the soft sounds. They will be actually boosted right here. And you can actually play the sample right now, so you can check how it sounds. And also we can apply it with your phone or for example with your media. So phone it's actually for the calls and the media is for playing songs. And yeah, that's how we can do this. Thanks for watching.